if you don't really want to live in a big city of 1 million plus people, Edmonton, Alberta has beautiful cities that surround the area. My name is Karen Stanko and I'm a local Edmonton realtor, and today I'm going to talk about the top 3 surrounding cities that I would love to live in. Number 1, St. Albert. What's so great about St. Albert? Everybody loves St. Albert. There is a beautiful picturesque river going through St. Albert. It is a very close commute from downtown. So if you are working in the downtown core, going into St. Albert is not that far, about 30-minute drive. What people love about St. Albert is also the services. Yes, taxes are a little bit higher, but right now they almost are the same as Edmonton, but the services are phenomenal there. Snow removal, bus systems, transit. They even have a lovely community farmers market every Saturday in the city center. They have a vibrant arts community, and it is just a lovely place to call home to. So why not look in St. Albert? Number 2, Spruce Grove. Spruce Grove used to be this sleepy little town slash city within 30 minutes of Edmonton as well, just west, a very easy commute. And it used to be known as a place where people that were new home buyers who couldn't afford to live in Edmonton would invest in Spruce Grove. Well, things have changed. The Linkside Spruce Grove Golf Course in the center of the city is a hub for people that are wanting to retire into bungalows. It is a beautiful award-winning golf course. And another thing that Spruce Grove offers is it is close to a lot of local farms. So if you like to go and pick your own Saskatoon berries or strawberries, or want to be able to be involved in a community farm, that is a great area and a resource. They also have a lovely recreation center in Spruce Grove, and people flock there because of that recreation center. What other things are going for Spruce Grove is the housing prices are going up quite substantially. And years ago, you couldn't find a house or sell a house under $500,000. Now it's a great place to invest in because the prices are going up in around almost to the $900,000 range. This is indicating that the people from inner cities are wanting to move into smaller communities and valuing smaller community lifestyles. Number 3, and how can we not forget this one, Sherwood Park. Sherwood Park, real estate-wise, has been experiencing a seller's market for at least 6 years by now. So if you're thinking about investing in real estate, Sherwood Park is the place to go. Why do people love Sherwood Park? Well, Sherwood Park has some amazing community resources. They have great recreation centers. They have ample amounts of shopping. They are a hop, skip, and a jump to Elk Island National Park. Sherwood Park is a beautiful place, and people really value that area and continue to invest in that city. So if you are looking at moving into Edmonton or the surrounding area, I would love to be your real estate source of information. My name is Karen Stanko and I'm with Remax Real Estate. So if you like this video, please comment or subscribe. I'll be doing videos like this on a weekly basis, or you can check me out on my website, buyedmontonproperty.com, or the other way is to just check out my social media. Thanks for joining me, and see you at the next one.